This is the new Paw Pride web store training for teachers. In this training, we will focus on creating Paw Pride codes for your students, which is really the only part of what teachers need to do in the Paw Pride store. For a better explanation of what students can do and how to do it so you can help them, you would want to watch the student video that focuses on the store and buying things and checking out. First off, you need to go to WBPTC.org, and that is our website. You need to log in or create an account. If you press the login button, they're both next to each other, so you can register your own account if you want. You do have these required fields that all students have to fill in, so just fill it in for yourself. If you don't want to register an account, we do have an account called Paw Pride, and if you email me at wbptcpresident@gmail.com, I can give you the password for that. Even if you do create an account, you will need to email me so that I can make you an administrator so that you can generate your own Paw Prides. So I'm going to log in using the Paw Pride account. And we're back to the website. You do have access to all the areas that the students do, but obviously you wouldn't really benefit from ordering. So the main thing that teachers are going to be doing is they're going to go to this admin tab. If a student were to go to this tab, it would just say that they don't have permission, and this is the coupon creator. So there are three different options here: number of coupons to create, the value, and how many times one can be used. So if you wanted to generate a whole bunch at once, you could just type in a number here and the value and then press generate. When you do that, it will generate codes and display them on the website. So you can copy them into Excel or copy them into an email. You can just highlight them. So I'm just doing a click drag and then Control C, and then you would go over to Excel or to an email and you could Control V. So you can generate a whole bunch at once, or you could just do it as you need them. Do one at a time if you wanted to, that's fine. If you go back in here to the admin, let's say your entire class did something great and you want to give them all 5 coupons, but that would be cumbersome to create individual codes and make sure each student gets their individual code. So you can also choose to have a coupon be used multiple times. It can only be used once by an account, so you don't have to worry about one student redeeming it 25 times. But you can then say, okay, I want it to be worth 5 Paw Prides, and I want 25 students to be able to redeem it. And you just press generate, and just like before, it'll generate a code that you can use. These are all going to be alphanumeric codes, so it can be number and letter, but I did remove the numbers and letters that look like each other. So zeros and O's and I's and ones. Those aren't going to show up in any of your codes to make it easier for people to register. So that's really it from the teacher perspective, registering codes, and all you have to do is hand these out to your students and they can go shopping. Students will be receiving their Paw Prides once a month at the end of the month, according to the PTC calendar. And you can email any questions to wbptcpresident@gmail.com. Thank you.